Hey guys, John, Vapor Running Technologies. Got Spencer here. We're about to use the parts washer on this Honda front fork spring. You can see there's the grease that we're going to take off. So I'm going to close the door. We're going to see if we can see. There you go. There's the bottom side. Look how clean that is. He's gonna hit the top side real quick, but boy, the heat is just smoking in there. That's what helps cut that grease away with the pressure and the cleaning agent. Fantastic machine. You guys have to have one of these. If you're just a general everyday mechanic, you have to have the Hydro Blast. That's where they come in. Guys, if you want both the Hydro Blast and the Vapor Home for those beautiful shiny parts, and you want a parts wash first, you need both cabinets. If you already have a Vapor Home, grab you a Hydro Blast. Call the sales team or email them today. Thanks for watching.